Okay, so here is my present reality headset, and you can see it's got two lenses, it's got two displays in there, it's got some electronics in there, and yeah, does a 3D game here. I'll try to show it to you, but I'll just strap the phone on there. So okay, so here's the present reality game. In the title, if you hold the trigger, it'll center, and then you got a menu screen, and then you got a cube room screen. You can look around, you can see there's a bunch of cubes. Let's go to one of these cubes. You can see it's Monster Wars, and the instructions, you have to kind of look around for them. And there's Eugene, fight. Irene, I mean. Don't even know my own game. Anyway, there's Bobzilla. Run away, run away. So I can look to the left and let's see if he... I can't get to him. Anyway, okay, you got me. Alright, but you can look around. Okay, and let's go to another cube. This is Underwater World. And this is like an adventure game. There's like a ship over there. There's an elevator. You see my hand? You can touch the button, sort of. Get into the elevator. And you got an elevator going down the water. Going down. There's a bunch of fish. And then there's an undersea base there with more fish. And the elevator's still going down. Anyway, get out of that. Let's see, let's see what this cube is. This is Jim's Theater. And look, there's my head. I've got my funny head there talking to you. If you have earphones in, you could listen to me. Okay, get out. There's actually more to it. There's a whole nativity scene and everything in there, so you'll have to watch that. That looks really cool. Okay, and this one is Alien Scanner. I'm sorry, Android Scanner. Yeah, I can't even remember my own games. This is the instructions. You can look around, and so you have these. Oh, we have. Don't run into them. Okay. Anyway, there you go. You can see all the asteroids and try to scan them and not die. Okay, well, I died. So there's a way to do it, and I didn't do it right. But anyway, there's that game. Okay. Oh, well, I did the Brown Adventure game. Let's get out. Well, let's get out and do this again, because like it's centered was not right. Okay, so you can center back in this room. If you go back to this room and hold the trigger down, it'll center, because sometimes the headset drifts a little bit. So yeah, Cave Adventure, and there's the instructions, and it's like a cave adventure. You can go into the cave and wander the cave. Kind of see some stalactites and stalagmites. And look, there's some bad guys. And you got a lightsaber sword thing that you can try to kill the bad guys with. Anyway, that's another game. Get out of that one. This red one. And that is Flapjack Joster. So you have this flapjack. You have to flap, kind of like Flappy Bird, but it's kind of like joust too. So you have to joust these guys. So you have to land on them. And splat. Oh, and splat. And don't die into the lava. Oh no. Okay. Next game. Okay. So So let's go to this one. And I always like to make sure I'm centered before I go in there. This one is Stompy Stomp. It's a mech game. And there's the instructions. And you kind of can walk down. And they shoot at you. You can try to shoot them. Okay, there's that. And kind of do that one. Okay, let's see. Did we show this one yet? This is... I don't know if I showed you this one or not. This one is asteroid scanner. Did I show you this one? Okay, anyway, like it shows you where the anyway, whatever. You can just look at that if you want to. Then you got alien meet and greet. So you got an alien there, and you got different things you can look at there. If you go up to them, this one is the spaceport. When you finally win all the games, you can go into the spaceport. Let's see, it won't let you when you're haven't won them all yet. But it also has the, look at that, an image of the headset. I threw that in there because I thought that was funny. But there you go. It's a cool game. Hope you like it. A lot to do, a lot to see in there, and it should be in 3D, but not on this screen, obviously. So yeah, this is the headset. I made it from scratch. Obviously, put all the hardware and images and data and everything together, and hopefully I'll have it done by Christmas. The idea is to give it away as a Christmas gift, and it'll be like a gift card holder with you have to play the games and a little servo will open up if you win all the games. So you have to play all the games to actually get the gift card out of it, or whatever I put in there. I may not have enough money to put all the gift cards in everybody's, but anyway, that's something interesting. I hope you like it. It's kind of the step up gift card holder this time. I'm trying to be a little more technical. Here we go. So that was fun. Hope you like it.